Just minutes from downtown Bellevue is the cherished community of Enatai. This timeless traditional residence was custom built by MacPherson in 2010. Drawing inspiration from the estates on the East Coast, this home offers spectacular views of Lake Washington and the Seattle skyline. Designed with today's lifestyle in mind, this residence hosts over 5,000 square feet of gracious living spaces, from the formal entertaining areas to the family room and gourmet kitchen. Nothing is missing in this classically styled home. The unmatched attention to detail and luxurious finishes showcase the level of craftsmanship only seen in a custom estate. On the upper level, a relaxing master suite awaits. Luxurious spa-like bath, and those show-stopping views. There are so many extras in this home. From the dedicated media room to the separate exercise room, nothing is missing. Outside, find beautiful grounds and lush gardens. Whether entertaining in spring, summer, or fall, there's a wonderful setting for any occasion. Unmatched attention to detail, timeless design. A perfect location within minutes of world-class dining and shopping. Welcome to Enatai.